Hi! In front of me is Realme 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and select password and biometrics. Then click on add face and enter your current login method. Now just continue over here. And tap on done. So now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!